In the realm of romance, the art of playing hard to get is often discussed. Surprisingly, the act of ignoring can be both intriguing and influential. Today, we'll delve into the potent techniques of intentional distancing and how it can create an irresistible allure. By mastering the dance between intimacy and aloofness, you can generate a magnetic pull that leaves them yearning for your presence. Let's unravel the mystique and harness the captivating power of this unique tactic. Number 1. The psychology behind ignoring. Imagine your most cherished possession, one you interact with daily. How would you feel if it suddenly disappeared? The curiosity would be overwhelming, right? Similarly, when you consciously distance yourself from someone, it's akin to performing a vanishing act. By withholding your time and affection, it's as if you've concealed their favorite object. And just like you, people are inherently curious. Your sudden absence triggers a flurry of questions in their mind. Why am I no longer in their spotlight? This creates a void, akin to a missing jigsaw piece they're desperate to locate. Deep down, we all yearn for validation and affection. By distancing yourself, you amplify this longing. They begin to crave the warmth of your acknowledgement, reminiscent of a moth drawn to a flame. However, a word of caution. This strategy should be employed with kindness. It's not about being cruel or causing emotional distress. Instead, it's about crafting an enigma and highlighting the value of your attention. With this insight, you can tactfully employ the art of intentional distancing, ensuring they're irresistibly drawn to you. The next time you wish to be genuinely seen, consider stepping back and observe as their intrigue pulls them irresistibly towards you. Number 2. Strategic limitation of availability. Recognize your own worth. You have passions, close friends, and moments that bring you immense joy. This isn't just pivotal for your own contentment, but also serves as a magnet for those special individuals in your life. By immersing yourself in your interests and friendships, you project an aura of someone worth discovering. Picture yourself as a hidden gem they're eager to unearth. Reveling in joy without that special someone sends a clear message. Your life is vibrant even in their absence. Consider this analogy: the allure of a forbidden chocolate delicacy. The moment it's deemed unreachable, its allure intensifies. Similarly, when someone perceives that your time isn't perpetually at their disposal, they liken it to that elusive treat. This piques their interest, making them strategize on how best to secure a moment with you. By judiciously managing your availability, you subtly challenge them to invest more effort to be integrated into your exciting realm. Envision it as a treasure hunt, with the ultimate prize being quality time with you. It's crucial to strike a balance between personal time and shared moments. This equilibrium lays the foundation for a robust bond, ensuring mutual respect and affection. So, pursue your passions, cherish moments with your close ones, and let that special someone witness your independence. They'll be irresistibly drawn to be a part of your exhilarating journey. Number 3. The arts of balanced communication. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, acting as a window into one's thoughts. However, there's magic in occasional silence. Consider this scenario: constant conversations, instantaneous replies, and ceaseless chatter with a friend. While comforting, introducing deliberate pauses can be transformative. The anticipation of an unexpected gift or a thrilling escapade. That's the sensation you gift them by occasionally stepping back. This intentional distance becomes a canvas for their imagination, making them wonder about your activities and thoughts. It's a playful game of decode my silence. This heightened intrigue signifies their genuine investment in the bond. They'll be more inclined to engage, converse, and perhaps even surprise you. It's a proven formula to amplify their interest. Remember, while communication is the cornerstone, occasional silences can enrich the bond, ensuring they're always eager for the next shared moment. Number 4. The journey of self-enhancement. Imagine channeling your energy into personal growth, akin to a seed blossoming into a radiant flower. Dive into hobbies that resonate with your soul. Perhaps strumming a guitar or creating vibrant art captivates you. Let your enthusiasm guide your explorations. Additionally, excel in your professional or academic pursuits. Whether you aspire to heal as a doctor, inspire as a teacher, or explore the cosmos as an astronaut, immerse yourself in knowledge and showcase your prowess. Just as stars illuminate the night, let your achievements shine. Prioritize physical well-being through exercise, a balanced diet, and restorative sleep. As you evolve, others will be captivated by your metamorphosis, reminiscent of a caterpillar's transformation into a butterfly. They'll yearn to be part of your narrative and champion your endeavors. So, ignite your passions and relentlessly pursue the best version of yourself. With conviction, you can manifest wonders. Number 5. Mindful distancing. Distancing isn't about manipulation or inflicting pain. It's a strategy to maintain equilibrium in relationships. Continual proximity can sometimes blur boundaries. Hence, occasional space can be rejuvenating. It's akin to a brief hiatus that fortifies bonds, fostering genuine trust and connection. It's imperative to understand that this isn't a game or a ploy to toy with emotions. It's a gesture to grant them the liberty to introspect and perhaps miss your presence. Their curiosity might reignite, leading them back to you. Always prioritize respect and transparency. Mastering the art of subtle distancing can be transformative in garnering someone's attention. Employing strategies like valuing your time, ensuring balanced communication, and emphasizing self-growth can pique their interest. By projecting confidence and autonomy, you keep the dynamics exhilarating, leaving them in eager anticipation of your next move. Embrace the allure of a hint of mystery and witness their growing fascination. Thanks for watching.